What's up guys, Track Palmer here. In this video, I will show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on Honda Civics. It might be similar for other Honda motor vehicles. Take a look at this Serpentine belt. It's shiny and that's a sign that it needs to be replaced. There might be cracks on the other side of this Serpentine belt. The key thing is to buy a good quality Serpentine belt and have the right tool to loosen the belt tensioner. I bought this genuine Serpentine belt and it has a diagram at the back showing how to run the belt. I rented the Serpentine tool, but it doesn't have a 19mm socket which is required for this vehicle. A very long 19mm wrench will work, or a regular wrench with an extensioner like this will work. You may also rent the right tool or buy your own. Let's start the process. Tools needed are the 19mm wrench for the tensioner, 19mm socket to remove the wheel, clip removal tool and jack stands. Lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Safely place the vehicle on jack stand or place the wheel remove under the vehicle for protection. Use a clip removal tool to remove these clips right here to access the Serpentine belt under the vehicle. You can see that I now have access here. Take a look at how the belt is installed. Looking on from the top, you can see the tensioner right here. That's where the 19mm socket will go. There is not enough space for a regular socket. This design would fit perfectly, but I do not have a 19mm socket here. I will have to use a regular wrench and tape it to the bar that comes with the Serpentine belt tool. I use the strongest tape I have available, which is duct tape. Having one of these wrench extensions would come in handy right now. I will definitely buy one soon. Once the wrench is on the bolt, I will gently push forward to loosen the tension while I remove the Serpentine belt. The belt is now off. Now I will remove it entirely. Now I will compare the old and new belts. They match. To install this new Serpentine belt, I will start from the top. I will push the belt forward to get it around this pulley. I will now put it around this pulley, then work it around this one. I will then wrap it around this one to hold it in place, then work around this one. Leave this one for last. Let the belt sit right here on this pulley. Now use the 19mm wrench to gently push the tensioner forward, then place the belt over this final alternator pulley. Properly inspect the entire belt to ensure that it is properly seated on each pulley. If you are satisfied, turn on the vehicle and watch the belt spin. If the belt stays on, the belt installation is done. What is left is to install the clips for this cover and then install the wheel. Remember to torque the wheel nuts to 80 foot-pounds. That's it guys, thanks for watching. But before you go, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one guys.